Silver City in 2026 is officially moving from a day trip park to an Ozark resort destination.
That's right. We're talking about a massive new hotel and a total reimagining of the Showboat Branson Belle, which has a new name, and a secret construction project that's not so secret between Powder Keg and Wildfire that has the coaster world buzzing. So,
come with us.
Hey guys, welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hi.
If you guys are brand new here, my name is Brady and this is
Ashley.
We are a traveling couple that absolutely loves to go to theme parks all over the country, and our home park happens to be Silver Dollar City. So before we get into this and what's coming for it in 2026, take a look at this. This is the 2026 refillable popcorn lantern bucket. It's styled after an old miner's lantern, and it actually lights up. And we've got some great news. You may be able to purchase this at the park. However, if you don't want to spend your money on it, you can try and attempt to win this popcorn bucket from the very only BA Adventures. However, we have to get to 1,500 subscribers first, which means that you guys need to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and tell your friends to do so. It might just be you walking into that park carrying a lit up lantern full of popcorn or kettle corn.
And it costs you free $99.
It does. It costs you free $99. All right. So first things first, we are moving to what the park is actually doing for military. So
yeah.
Ashley?
So Silver City loves to honor the military. And they are actually giving season passes to active military members for free.
Mm-hmm.
And the veterans and their family members are getting a discount.
Which is awesome.
Yes.
It is really cool. We don't know what that discount is. If you do happen to know, comment below. Let us know if you're allowed to. I don't know what the specs are or anything with that. But yeah, so this is also to coincide with the All-American celebration that Silver Dollar City is putting on to celebrate the birthday, the 250th to be exact, of America. With this, they are having several things occur. Keep an eye on the exclusive America 250th Coca-Cola soda, found only exclusively to Silver Dollar City.
I'm really excited to try it.
Yes. If you've been to the Fan Fest and you've tried it, they got to sample it. If you went, we did not get to go, unfortunately. However, this looks really neat. It is a custom blend of cherries, berries, and vanilla cream. Plus, the merchandise with this is also leveling up from Bald Eagle plushies to a new line of classic print apparel that collectors are going to love.
I'm excited just to see what, like, merch-wise it's going to be. I might need to get a new t-shirt. Who knows?
Yeah, she already got one from Six Flags that has it on there.
I need another one.
I know. She definitely does. All right, so moving on, let's talk about the resort and the Showboat.
Some big announcements were made.
They were at Fan Fest. So now let's talk about where you're going to be staying. So Silver Dollar City Resort is officially opening the doors in late 2026. So I'm going to guess that that's going to be around fall harvest time, possibly.
I think they're trying to get it done before. I wonder if they're trying to get it done before Christmas season.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
That's their busiest time of year. They're definitely going to be getting it done by then.
There's not been an actual date announced yet, though. In this resort, it does have 262 rooms, which is built right into the Ozark Cliffs near Silver Dollar City. And the lobby is going to be inspired by Marvel Cave and the views of Rock Lake.
Speaking of that lake, the iconic Showboat Branson Belle is getting a little city makeover. It's being renamed to Silver Dollar City's Showboat. And that's going to move the Rivertown Ramblers from the park to there. So they're going to be there exclusively.
I've always loved to see their show. So they're going to have a bigger stage.
Yep. It is going to now be a floating extension of the park with a new seating layout, a refreshed menu, And that show is, like we said, the Rivertown Ramblers. It's now fully integrated into the park's 1880s theme.
I think we're gonna have to do it. I went when I was in like middle school. Actually, is the last time I went on the Showboat. So I think it would be fun to do it again.
I've never been.
Oh no, here we go.
Never have been.
So every time he sees a billboard or sees a sign for you, like, I've never been there.
I've never been.
I've never been there.
I've
never been there.
Mm-hmm. Now there are some rumors circulating this, as all of the concept art of the resort and the park together are placed into with the Showboat in the background.
Mm-hmm.
So not really sure what's occurring there. However, we do believe that there are rumors surrounding that the new port for the Silver Dollar City Showboat will be at the resort or near it. Because it is not there now.
Interesting.
Very interesting. Time will tell. Time will tell.
I have some speculations.
Some speculations? Oh boy.
Yeah.
Well, we'll have to hold those speculations off because we are getting into the festivals and those awesome tasting passports that you know.
Yes.
So, all right. So the festival lineup for 2026 is stacked, and here is your schedule. Ashley, take it away.
Spring.
Spring.
Yeah. Spring Exposition is starting April 2nd to May 4th.
May the 4th be with you.
Yes. Bluegrass and Barbecue is May 7th through May 25th. Summer celebrations kicking off in June 6th to August 2nd. Southern Gospel Picnic is going to be in August 27th through September 7th. Now the good ones.
The ones that she likes
yes,
the most.
The Harvest Festival is September 11th through Halloween.
Which is October 31st.
Yes.
I did not know.
And the Christmas Festival will be November 7th through January 2nd.
And that is called an old time Christmas.
Thank you.
You're welcome. During that entire time, the All-American Celebration kicks off on May 9th with a flurry of artists that are taking place down into the Echo Hollow, which we'll talk about here in a little bit. Yeah. So every single one of these will have a tasting passport, and this is your ticket to the best food in the park. They are festival specific, and you can only get them during those times. So during that Harvest Festival, you know, we've got a new favorite, and that is the cashew chicken waffle cone, surprisingly. We gave it bad ratings the first time, and now it's back, and we love it. So,
yes.
Anyway, be sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe here on YouTube to keep track of all of those that we are going to do. Mm-hmm. Our goal is to get to every single one of them and do each of them at least once that they release. Maybe by myself, and I may have to be rolled out of there, but hey, it happens.
Hi!
So, also, what is new for Christmas this year, Ashley?
Well, Rudolph is retiring.
No, he's not. Don't do that.
He is actually coming back. He's going to have the Stars, Lights, and Christmas Nights parade, which is twice as long as it used to be.
Mm-hmm. Twice the size.
So we're very excited. There is going to be new floats, and there's going to be even new characters.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so. Clarice makes her debut into the parade.
Yay, Clarice!
Yes. All right, let's move on to the Echo Hollow and that construction that we talked about at the beginning. First off, if you need a break from the rides, head to Echo Hollow Amphitheater, as they have a massive roster of artists performing all season long, including America's 250th kickoff concert on May the 9th. But we've talked about that a lot. There is an elephant in the room. If you are fans of Powder Keg and Wildfire, you will know that in between those two, there's some construction going on.
And it's like world-breaking construction, apparently.
Apparently, it is world record-breaking, they say. It is the first of its kind in America, according to Choctaw Charlie at the Fan Fest. And at the timing of this video, there is going to be an announcement on February 16th. Maybe about that, maybe not. We don't know.
All signs are pointing to yes.
All signs are pointing to yes. However, we know Silver Dollar City and how they like to add suspense and keep you hooked in and watching constantly.
Constantly. Thank you so much.
So it is a new coaster, and many believe that it is possibly a Mack Rides coaster, which is very similar to another favorite of ours at that park, the Time Traveler, also made by Mack Rides.
Amazing ride.
It is an amazing ride. It is in my top 5. Mm-hmm. So, all right. So rumors are swirling about it, about this Mack Rides attraction. Why now? Why are they putting a new ride in now? Well, because in 2027, CoasterCon is coming to Silver Dollar City. This mystery project is almost certainly going to be the main attraction for those enthusiasts from all over the world. Could it be a 250-foot hypercoaster to match the 250th birthday? No, it's already a year behind. However, we'll be here to track every footer and everything that gets poured on that.
We have ideas too.
We do have ideas. And many of you, and we want to put a stop to something here real quick, is that we've heard the rumor of Thunderation being taken out. I have good news for you. It'll be fully operational in 2027. If you haven't watched this video here, which covers this whole thing, I did make some editing mistakes, so bear with me. You'll have to watch a little bit further on to see where I'm talking about. Apologies for that. However, that being said, this is going to be massive for Silver Dollar City and the coaster community in general.
I just can't wait. Just can't wait.
I feel like it is going to be some sort of family ride.
They need family rides. They do.
They have family rides.
I want more. I love a good family ride. I just love a good family ride.
Let's thrill it up. That's what I say. Put that thing 300 foot in the sky, Silver Dollar City, and drop it off that Ozark mountain for me, please. Let's do it. Come on. I'll ride with you, Mr. Hershon. Let's go.
Mr. and Mrs. Hershon.
Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Hershon.
Yeah.
They do ride things still. So anyway, 2026 is the year Silver Dollar City will be changing quite a bit. What are you guys most excited for? Please comment below.
I think we should do a challenge.
Oh.
I want to know what you would name the new coaster. And the best name suggestion in the comments below, they're going to get a shout out for our next video.
I like it.
I think that would be a cool one.
Let's do it. Let her
Let's
rip.
do a challenge, guys.
Let's get it down there. Let's hear what you've got. So, anyway, again, what are you the most excited for besides that? The resort, the new parade, or that mystery coaster in 2027?
What about the popcorn bucket?
Oh, yes. I am actually going to mention that. So let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for that popcorn lantern bucket giveaway. We're almost at 1,500 subscribers. So anyway, we will see you in the city. Hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that
bell notification button,
so that you guys don't miss any more of our theme park news, adventures, or anything else that we may have to offer you at Silver Dollar City. And with that,
bring on the next adventure.
bye, guys.